A snake boat is 40 meters long. If they sit close together, there is room for 120 oarsmen. These boats are only to be found in Kerala. Originally, in the far distant past, they are said to have been used as troop carriers. You are captain of a snake boat from father to son. Jacob is proud to respect this tradition. But looking after 120 men for a month costs a lot of money. So like all trainers in every sport, he spends a great deal of his time looking out for sponsors. Allepey is in the heart of the lagoon. The tranquil canals reflect the calm atmosphere in the streets. Everything is done by boat here. Fishing, of course, but also transport of spices, straw, and rice. Convoys sail up the canals to the nearest seaport at Cochin, Kerala's economic capital,